little baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left, switched up at the end. Switched up at the end. Where you could have been, what we could have been. Let me tell you, little baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left.
Welcome back, guys. So before we start this video today, just want to let you know, stick to the end of the video, we're going to be doing a giveaway for hitting 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for doing that. This one is pre-recorded, so I'm just throwing this in there so that we can stay to the end and then let you know how you can enter the giveaway. But yeah, stay tuned and we will get to that. Now, 4th gen over here. I'll let them explain what we're going to be doing today. Alright, what we got going on today?
What we got going on today, we got the front Aspec lip, you know what I'm saying? We finna add to the 4th gen, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I was going to do the unboxing. So what year is your car?
13.
And this is what year to what year lip? Well, let's not show the address. Alright.
It's from the 12 to 14.
12 to 14,
yep.
Acura TL Aspec front lip. And his color too, so he doesn't even gotta paint it. Damn.
It's the left side right here.
Can you put it up to it? Did it like...
Let's take a look.
Kinda, huh?
Yeah, kinda. These clips right here.
Oh, alright.
I gotta clip them off or something.
Got it. So hopefully we'll take it off and everything, but hopefully it's lined up, like has notches, that way we could drill the holes, like hole marks.
Right. So
yeah, all right. The first thing we'll probably do is probably open the hood, take the bumper off, because I never took this kind of bumper off, so it might be like 12 things we got to do. But yeah, let's get to this. All right, we got the bumper off. It's just like a 3rd gen, so you got like 4 bolts up here, like one here, here. You get the clips off the side, and there's a screw right here that holds it, and then all the screws from under it, and after that you just take the clips off and whatever. But yeah, we got it off. I'm looking, and it looks like there are holes in it. We can mark, like right here, you can see there's a plus sign, which is very good. That means this should just be aligned. So yeah, let's take a look. So you got 3 holes then. So what side would this be?
that's the
that side, huh?
yeah, that's
so all that. So you got it on the top. So we got one here. Let me take a look. How does it go on? Alright, so you got that one. You got one up here, you can see. Let me turn the light. You can see one right there, one down here. Should be one more. How far does it go up?
It should be it.
Oh yeah, there it is. And then there's one up here. We're gonna go ahead and grab the right size drill bit and continue.
Probably didn't clip these off, huh?
No?
No?
You don't need to click them. Like cut them off?
Yeah.
No. But you got the, like, you shouldn't mean like, why?
Well,
because you saying they're in the way?
yeah.
You know what we know what we're gonna do, right?
No, I don't.
We're drilling holes.
Oh, okay.
And then those gonna go to it, and literally that clamps it, so that way it's never
Sturdy.
gonna fall off.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, got this size. I'm using a 21/64 is what I'm using. So like I said, there's one there's one here, one here, one up here, and there's one more, I think. I gotta see it. One more in this area. I'll find it once I figure it out. First hole. Ooh, scary, huh?
Yeah, it is.
see it? It's in there. That's the other one. So you got that hole, that hole, that hole, and that hole. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it through it. Take double-sided tape off a little bit, and then get it sandwiched on. He's taking a weird angle, like the bumper.
Right. Oh shit. You want to stand it up?
Another one. Nice, it fits. Damn.
Yeah, I know.
Big ass difference, huh?
Hell yeah.
We're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side, so we're not gonna show that part. And then, yeah, all the clips are on, and then we'll get the bumper back on. So, yep. That clip's on, clip, and clip. All the double-sided tape is now off of it, and it looks so good. Oh my god! Can't wait to put this back on. Damn.
Yeah, bro, that shit is tight. You know what I'm saying? Aspec season, you know what I'm saying? Shit, I want the 4gen content, so I'm gonna give the 4gen content just because I want to see it. But hell yeah, good luck to Mythic 559 right here. Like, comment, subscribe. Can't forget that.
Yeah, boy.
And any other 4gen people watching this, let them know. So then that means I just gotta spend more money for y'all. But damn it.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Where you could have been. Let me tell you, little baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left, switched up at the end. Where you could have been, where we could have been. Let me tell you, little baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left, switched up at the end. Where you could have been, where we could have been. You left me in the Honda, now I'm in the 4J. Sipping on his head, where you should have been.
I know she mad cause she see who I be fucking with. Bright hair, white toes, you know they done and did. I miss the feeling when I used to kiss upon your neck. I admit it, yes, I wish you were my fucking ex.
It's good. I don't know. I guess we're about to have 2 takes on the any.
Yeah.
There's a 4Gen Chris tapping in, tapping out. You know what I'm saying? Good looks on tuning in. Ask for more 4Gen shit. Yay! Oh, I hit the fucking light.
All right, I'm gonna leave that in. All right, guys. So I'm doing the giveaway. I'm probably gonna do the universal side splitter just because they don't just fit Acura TLs. It would fit any other car. So we're gonna be giving away the universal side splitters. Go check out the link in the description. You could go back to the video about a couple videos ago. It's the side splitters for what I put on my car. So yeah, so the way to answer this one is, yeah, but go ahead and like this video, comment down below what's your favorite, what you like the best, you know, about my videos. Ooh, like, I don't know, it could be one of the characters or cars or whatever. And then go in my last post on IG. Here's my IG right here. Go like it. It'll be part about the giveaway anyway by the time this video is up. And just comment done. And once you do all that, as long as you're subscribed and everything, you should be good. All right, I forgot to throw in real quick. Oh my god, that's so fucking bright. All right, so I forgot to throw in real quick is if you have any questions for the Q&A, leave it in the comments below, or Instagram, or anything you want to. I'll be doing the next video will be Q&A, so if you have questions on regarding my car, anyone else's car in the crew, or wheel specs, or whatever, or plans, just leave a comment, you know, or whatever your question is, just let me know, because Q&A video is gonna be next video. So I'm putting the Q&A video ahead of all the other content I got, because you know, I had 1,000, so figure out answer a little bit of questions for you guys. But yeah, I'll let you know a little like things about coming up and stuff like that, my new things I haven't showed yet, upcoming videos that are coming up. But you know, I'm just far behind, like, I don't know, probably like a month or 2. I'm getting behind because there's so much filming and so little editing. But I've been posting up a couple videos here and there, but I'm trying, you know. But yeah, let me know. Yeah, thank you for all your guys' support. Damn, as you guys see, next video will be pretty cool. Hit 100. Go watch my 100 video. And that one's pretty funny. Go watch my 100 video. It's like my first vlog video. But yeah, thank you for the love and support. I'll see you next time. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
She want a foreign boy, I pull a foreign boy. Where you from, baby girl? I need a foreign babe. California boy, you make it foreign,